The first and the biggest need of conserving nature is look at what we've done with our cities. There is something which our cities have missed out on. What our cities used to be maybe 50 years ago, they were in connection with nature. Buildings were humble. There was this community that you created of human beings and their homes and the nature around them, and they were all one. You're here for a short period of time on this planet. Question is, what are you going to leave it with? I'm an architect. It's a big responsibility. I mean, there is this piece of the planet which has possibly never been built upon ever. And then you've got the opportunity now to put your finger and do something with it. Once you do it, in a way, it changes forever. So you better get it right. The challenge really is, can you bring in more people and still be able to keep the quality of the land and the context as valid and as beautiful as the context is? Everything has been actually documented. There's the 200 and odd trees that are surviving on this land, and can become 4,000 trees. I think the people who are going to live here will automatically look after everything because they realize the value of what they have will drop if they don't look after what they have. You allow, the little kids to play, and you should be able to hear those, little shrieks of joy from the little kids climbing trees and stealing fruits. Let's talk to real people and talk about what real people really need and how to bring that joy to everybody. Can we be in a situation where we can create the kind of development that will actually let everything nurture together and be a win-win for everybody? I think that's the bottom line.